Hello, I'm Sarah, one of the librarians at the Sacred Heart University Library. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create citations and annotations for an annotated bibliography. So, what is an annotated bibliography? An annotated bibliography is an alphabetical list of sources. Each entry in the bibliography has two parts. The first part is a citation, which provides information about the source. When you cite a source, you are giving credit to the individual or individuals who created the work you're using for your own research. The second part is the annotation. Think of an annotation as a descriptive note about a source. The annotation consists of a brief paragraph of 3 to 6 sentences. This paragraph summarizes the source's content and evaluates its quality and relevance to your research topic. Why do we need citations? Citations prevent plagiarism by giving credit to the original author or creator. They also allow readers to trace the path of your research and ideas. You may be asking yourself, why is it helpful to write an annotated bibliography? An annotated bibliography serves as a roadmap for your research. It helps you organize and analyze information in a way that's easy to understand. A well-crafted annotated bibliography will also help you understand your topic better, see connections between your sources, and identify potential gaps in your research. This is an example of an annotated bibliography written in MLA format. The first part is a citation, which provides information about the source. The second part is the annotation, which summarizes the source's content and explains its relevance to the research topic. We'll talk more about the annotation in just a few moments. Before you write the annotation, you will need a correctly formatted citation. Let's look at how to create one. The first step is to determine which citation style you need to use. In some cases, your instructor may allow you to choose your citation style. Common citation styles include MLA, APA, and Chicago. Each style formats information differently, so make sure you know which one you need to use. For this example, we'll use MLA style. You can automatically generate citations from your search results within a database. For example, we will generate a citation in MLA style for this article. First, create your citation by clicking on the quotation marks icon. Then select the style you want to use. Make sure you keep track of all your sources. You can also use tools like Zotero Bib or Zotero to organize your citations. The automatic citation generators are very helpful. However, since they can make mistakes, you will need to check your work. The library has resources to help you check your citations. For example, we have style guides for all citation styles. These guides are available in electronic or print formats. We also recommend sources like Purdue OWL Writing Center. Use a guide to check the automatically generated citation to ensure that it is correctly formatted. Now that you know how to format a citation, let's talk more about the annotation. You will put the annotation beneath the citation for each source. So, what is an annotation? An annotation is a note or comment about a source. It provides a summary, context, and analysis of each source. While the exact components of an annotation will depend on your assignment, these are some of the common features of an annotation found in an annotated bibliography. It explains the main purpose and scope of the cited work, describes the work's format and content. It also provides the author's intellectual or academic credentials. Additionally, it specifies the intended audience. It describes the value and significance of the work as a contribution to the research topic. The annotation highlights shortcomings or bias in the work. And finally, it includes the researcher's own thoughts about the work. Here is a summary of the steps you will need to follow when creating an annotated bibliography. First, identify the required citation style. Next, generate the citation according to the style guide. Then, write your annotation. Finally, add your annotation below the citation. Since automatic citation generators make mistakes, remember to check your citations for accuracy. If you ever feel like you need assistance, then please reach out to your librarians, which you can easily do through the library website. We're always here to help. Thank you so much for watching.